Deck today. Obviously, today was a nice warm day here on the Central Coast, but don't let that fool you. Changes will come quickly here. This is Morro Bay and our live webcam out there. You can check out this camera and more at KSBY.com and get that Surfline forecast. San Luis Obispo, 65, 66 Santa Maria, Paso Robles 70, 68 in Lompoc, 66 in Santa Barbara. We have high clouds across the area, and the winds did turn from the morning offshore back to the onshore direction in the afternoon. 7-day forecast already at the bottom of your screen, so take a look for your town. It is going to be a more active forecast. Some of the daytime highs today: 78 Santa Barbara, 74 Solvang, 73 Lompoc, 77 at Avila today, and 74 in Santa Maria, even though the morning low was just 38 degrees. Paso Robles recovered from freezing up to 72 degrees, 77 in AG, Morro Bay 66, Tascadero 70, and the rest of the Weather Watcher reports on my social media. Here's a look at Santa Maria tomorrow. Not nearly as warm. A lot of high cloud cover back in the area. A bit of offshore flow early, but afternoon onshore flow will start pulling the temperatures back down. Paso Robles back up into the lower 70s, so even though cooler air is arriving at the coast, it doesn't get inland right away. And San Luis Obispo, lower 70s. We were in the mid to upper 70s today. Here's a look at all that cloud cover on the way. This is all high cloud cover. We are talking about rain opportunities in the forecast. In fact, there are a number of systems. I'd say 3. It just depends kind of how you want to count them. Here's a look at the first one. Again, it's some cloud cover for Wednesday, but as we get into late Thursday, some scattered showers start arriving at the coast. Overnight Thursday into Friday, widespread scattered showers across the area. By Friday afternoon, we're essentially out of system number 1. So that's system number 1 moving through here. Here's system number 2 as we get going into Saturday afternoon. So it's Saturday into Sunday, then a bit of a break, and then system number 3 comes in Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. Those systems garner a lot of special attention because that could bring the possibility of debris flow back into burn areas. So I'm going to show you several models here. This is all the rainfall through Monday. We're looking at about 1/4 of an inch to maybe an inch of rain on this particular model, and then it is very excited about next week adding yet another inch to maybe 2 inches of rain. This is the American model, which shows us, again, through Monday, you're looking at 1/2 to an inch of rain. However, 1.5 inches perhaps on the high side. It also has sort of a bullseye of heavier rain as we go through next week, but most of that rain is up in San Luis Obispo County. All I'm telling you at this point right now is that the Weather Service is talking about the potential for debris flow, which means local officials are talking about it, which means that's something we're going to have to pay attention to as we get closer to that window. But it's Tuesday, and all of that kind of heavier rain potential waits for the weekend. Upper 60s, low 70s tomorrow. Again, mostly cloudy skies, a bit of morning weak offshore flow, but afternoon winds at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Still a nice day. It's just the sun will be heavily filtered by a lot of high cloud cover. So the extended forecast gets us into that window where we'll see a little bit of rain on Friday, but Saturday and Sunday, rain is likely, and it also could be a windier system. Back to you guys.